Install printing ink switch. Install printing ink switch and align it with the center of the cup. This switch shop in the center of the cup. Master in center. Then click printing heat up and down. You can see. Click the printing switch button. Printing this. Click this button. You can see. After click this button, if it cannot touch the cup, you can rotate this handle to move it up or down. Also, you can adjust if the cup, the angle is more bigger, you can adjust this and this screw to adjust the switch angle. Adjust the switch height that both sides can touch the cup. 13. Install ink bag scraper. Install the ink returning blade on the left side, like this. Adjust ink bag scraper height that both sides can touch the mesh on top knob. Make sure it can carry ink bag to cover the mesh. After you install the silk screen, you have to put down the ink bag scraper to touch the mesh. To make sure this ink blade can carry ink cover the mesh, so when it printing the logo, it have ink to here. Okay, you can take. Also, you can adjust the angle if this side cannot touch the mesh. You can adjust this screw and adjust this screw to adjust the ink blade angle here.